Tessa Thompson, 38, brought the naked dress look to the red carpet for the season 4 premiere of Westworld, and she absolutely slayed. Tessa, who has played Charlotte Hale since Westworld's inaugural season in 2016, stunned in a sexy sheer dress by Interior NYC on the June 21 carpet in New York City. The floor-length gown was made of a purposefully wrinkled gold material that gave a subtle look at her glowing skin and brown undergarments underneath. The dress had a boat neckline that was accessorized with a thick black choker necklace, which matched the bow at the bottom of the dress open back design. Tessa wore her gorgeous brunette hair in a low ponytail and accentuated her facial features with glimmering gold eyeshadow and a gorgeous nude lipstick. To complete her revealing look, she wore Kismet by Milpa hoop earrings and a razor ring with a large pearl decorating it. Showing off her breathtaking ensemble in a post to her Instagram page, Tessa paid homage to the sci-fi drama by saying her look is what AI might wear to the function when they are after flush. She added, "A lovely evening celebrating the Westworld Season 4 premiere in the best city in the world." The premiere took place at Alice Tully Hall at NYC's famed Lincoln Center. Tessa stars opposite Luke Hemsworth, 32, in Westworld and revealed that he is the funniest Hemsworth brother of them all. Of all his brothers, he is definitely the funniest one. That's true, Tessa enthusiastically told Entertainment Tonight at the premiere. "I've spent time with all of them, and Luke Hemsworth is the funniest one." However, she quickly added that she does not rank the talented brothers for fun. "But I don't compare. They're all beautiful Hemsworthians. You need them all." There are 3 Hemsworth brothers, who hail from Australia, and they all act. Tessa has worked with Chris in several Marvel films such as 2017's Thor, Ragnarok and 2019's Avengers, Endgame. Luke did not comment on Tessa naming him the funniest of his talented brothers, but he proved he has a silly personality in his post from the night. Oh, I forgot my wallet, can anyone shout me a beer?" He captioned a selfie with the cast from the red carpet.